Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going dorm shopping. I'm going to college in a couple weeks, actually less than 2 weeks. And I still haven't gone shopping, so today's the perfect day because it's pouring out and like it's not hot out, so I'm not missing out on anything. I feel like that's good. I don't know, it could either be the worst day to go because it's raining. We're gonna go to like Bed Bath & Beyond and Target and all that stuff. And I'm gonna take you guys with me because, I don't know, I've watched a couple dorm videos and they're fun. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already and thumbs up this video if you don't want to go to school. I also kind of feel weird bringing a camera into a store. I don't know, I'm not used to it yet. So I'm not going to, I'm gonna use my phone. And okay, let's go. Stressful. Bathing suit break. I said bathing suit break.
We're shopping for Jen. For college. Okay, no, don't put me in there. I could do crazy things down the aisles. Run over children. That's what.
Didn't end up getting everything. I just got hit by a car. My hair's so frizzy.
Yes, it is. It's crazy, actually.
Thanks. Hello friends, I am now home. And I'm sorry, I'm pretty sure this vlog is also super short because I suck at vlogging in public. I feel weird. I didn't really get half the stuff I need, but it's a start, I guess. I got my bedspread, which is just white. I'm gonna have gray accents and gold accents. And then I got like bathroom stuff, hangers, towels, this really cute, it's a letter board and you like, it comes with letters and you like hang it up or something. I don't know. I thought it was cute. Oh, I got Q-tips, a lint roller, a lamp, desk sort lamp, I don't know. You could put like pens, I'm guessing, there. That's pretty much it. Tomorrow I'm going to Walmart to get more like shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that. So I guess I will vlog that too. So this will be like a 2-day vlog, which is so much fun. So maybe it'll be longer. That's all I got for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hello guys, it's the next day and it is day 2 of dorm shopping. So I'm gonna go to Walmart and you're gonna come with me, so let's go. I'm just gonna get stuff at CVS for makeup because I don't know, I just like CVS. You know, we're almost done. Oh, we didn't, I didn't bring a pen in, so I can't cross anything off. Hi, okay, so I just got home and that was it for my dorm. Now I'm gonna show you what I got. I got this like tote thing that has storage. So I got like toothbrushes, dry shampoo, deodorant, toothbrush holder, So yeah, that is what I got today. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really excited for college. Actually, I'm kind of nervous, but like whatever, it's fine. I'll be okay. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.